Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can update your Woocommerce product stock using a CSV or Excel file, so let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Products, then go to All Products. At the top, click on the Import button. This is where you can upload your CSV or Excel file to update your product details, including stock. Before uploading, make sure your file has the correct columns, for example. ID or SKU so Woocommerce knows which product to update. Stock quantity. Stock status like in stock or out of stock. You can create or edit this file easily in Excel or Google Sheets, then export it as a CSV file. Now, back in Woocommerce, click Choose File, upload your CSV, and then click Continue. On the next screen, Woocommerce will show a column mapping page. Here, make sure each column from your CSV matches the correct Woocommerce field, especially stock quantity and stock status. Finally, click Run the importer. After a few seconds, Woocommerce will automatically update your stock levels based on the CSV data. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly update your Woocommerce product stock using a CSV or Excel file without editing products one by one. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.